Good evening, everyone. I'm Chris Potter. Well, in 1993, I became a curate in Flint, and that was my first post in the ministry. And within a few months of getting there, a complete stranger came to my door, and she asked if she could have a conversation with me. That stranger was Nia Higginbottom, and she came back several times. And over time, I began to see what she was on about broad-based organizing. Well, 2 years later, I wrote this press release. On May the 22nd this year, 1995, nearly 600 people came together in the Civic Centre in Connors Quay, North Wales, to witness the launch of Trefnu Cymunedol Cymru, TCC, Wales Broad-Based Organising. 2 years of planning, preparation, and many thousands of individual conversations had resulted in 17 mostly church-based groups committing themselves financially and physically in support for this, the first non-urban community organising grouping in Britain. Also present at the launch were the Archbishop of Wales, the Roman Catholic Bishop of Wrexham, leaders of the Welsh and English Methodist Church, Presbyterian and other churches, members of the Muslim community in Wrexham, representatives from Allied Dunbar and the Barrow Cadbury Trust, all of whom had pledged financial support for TCC, as well as civic leaders from Deeside, Flint and Wrexham. Although TCC is predominantly faith-based at the moment, it is not a religious body. It is a civic organisation that seeks to strengthen communities from the grassroots up by building relationships with people from all walks of life who seek a shared valued system. It is non-partisan, but aims to make those with power become accountable to the communities they serve through a process of public negotiation and, if necessary, by putting pressure on them, whether they are local authorities or big business, to do so. At the heart of broad-based community organising is a desire to revitalise democracy by rekindling a sense of responsible citizenship at grassroots level, and a recognition that power belongs to those who exercise it. We are too often the passive victims of other people's decisions about our lives, and TCC seeks to restore confidence in the fact that we are the experts in our own communities, and that we should recover our political voice and say so. If we do our job well, politics will cease to be a dirty word. For the communities involved, there is an ongoing process of evaluation and reflection that seeks always to assess the issues and actions that emerge in community organising in the light of our mutually shared values. This has the effect of both deepening our understanding of our own values and self-interest and of strengthening our relationships with others as we begin to understand and respect the values and self-interest that motivates them. Broad-based organising has been effective in changing the political landscape in rural communities in North America and in many other countries in the world. We confidently expect the same to happen here. That was 30 years ago. And now look at us. What an amazing story we've had. And I'd like to thank everybody who's been involved, some like me from the very start, but others more recent members, for making such a success of broad-based organising here in North East Wales. Diolch yn fawr. Thank you.